Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video we are going to be learn how to add drafts on TikTok, like draft together on TikTok. So make sure that do watch the video completely in order to get it perfectly. So first of all, what you gonna do, open your TikTok application. I'm having my TikTok right here. Just open it up. And now from here I am saving some videos as a draft, and then I'll show you how to put them together. So quickly let's upload some videos as a draft. So I will say I'm choosing these two videos. Okay, so let's put this as a draft, and then after that what you're gonna do, so these are the two drafts which I have saved, and now just open your draft, and what you're gonna do, just post this draft privately, like click this option to, this will allow you to post your draft private. Select only me and then post it, and again do the same process with the second draft right here. And now in order to get put them together, so what you gonna do, okay, so I'm going back to TikTok, and yeah, now click this plus icon and click upload. Now just put together the saved drafts to proceed. Now this is how you can put these two drafts together. So this is the only way you can do this. So guys, that's the end for today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on. Bye.